Take some loose leaf Earl Grey tea, about a teaspoon per cup, and add it to the French press. Take some boiling water and add it to the tea. Now cover it up and set the timer for 5 minutes. In the meanwhile, pour some milk into the cups. When the timer is done, strain the tea, shake the French press a little bit, and then pour the tea into the cups. There you have it, the perfect cup of Earl Grey tea. You can enjoy it with some nice biscuits. If you like the video, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Enjoy.